Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Akshatha's Vibe. Let's learn it my way. I hope you all are safe and doing good. Today we are going to learn how to make last minute Christmas decors and gifts. Let's see what are the things that we need. Tissue, glue, white acrylic paint, hairbands, color paper, scissors, sequins, pencil and compass, mason jars, cotton and beads. So first, we are going to see how to make a snowman Christmas tree ornament. For that, take a tissue, apply glue at it and start rolling it. Make this into three sizes, one for the body, one for the head and two for the hands. Now I have finished rolling it. This is for the body, this is for the head and these two are for the hands. Now let's paint them white. Now I have finished painting them. Set it aside to dry. Now take a red piece of paper and cut two circles out of it. Now cut the four sides as shown. Now take glue and apply it. Now stick it like this so that it forms a half sphere. A half sphere is ready. Stick it on the other circle. Now a cap is ready. Set it aside. Now let's stick the body of a snowman. Now our snowman is ready. Take a hairband and gently put it around the neck. Now take the cap and stick it on the snowman. Now take a marker and draw two dots for the eyes. Now take sequin and stick it on the body to make it look like buttons. Now our snowman is ready. Let's move on to the next one. Next we are going to see how to make a Christmas tree in a jar. For that, take a green color paper and roll it into a cone. Now cut out the base to make it even. Now our cone is ready. Take strips of green paper and cut it as shown. our strips are ready. Stick it around the cone to make it look like a Christmas tree. Now our Christmas tree is ready. Here I have cut out tiny circles of different color paper. Stick them on the tree to make them look like Christmas ornaments. Now our Christmas trees are ready. Set them aside. Now take mason jars and put some cotton in it. Now let's place our Christmas trees in the jar. Also, let's place our snowman that we did earlier. Now we have put everything into the mason jars. Let's add some beads and decorate them. Now our Christmas decor is ready. I hope you all like this video. If you like it, like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Akshatha. And also do follow our Instagram page. The link will be in the description. And also, Merry Christmas to one and all. Until next time, it's bye from Akshatha.